Ever notice how two homes can hit the market at the same time, same week, same neighborhood, even the same layout, but one gets multiple offers right away and the other one just sits? Well, that is exactly what happened here. So let's talk about why that happens and how to make sure your home is the one that sells fast. Last month, I met with a seller here in Spearfish who found us after checking our reviews. We do have the most Google reviews in the entire area and Zillow. And they hired us because they wanted results. Meanwhile, get this, the neighbor invited multiple agents. I think it was like 5 or 6. They liked our marketing, but they didn't like the price we suggested. I knew that another agent would take it at an overpriced and they wouldn't do the proper marketing. Of course, they went with someone else. They didn't hire us. Oh, can't believe they did that. But guess what? That home's still sitting on the market. So sometimes you do want to be the second agent in, because guess we will get that listing because we sold their neighbor's house. So the seller who decided to work with us, their neighbor, we used our proven pricing strategy combined with our incredible marketing plan. We sold the home in 3 weeks. Oh, by the way, this is one of the hardest neighborhoods to sell in Spearfish because the road up there is a bit rough. It's like a logging road, and also was a $1.8 million home in a market where the average price point is $475,000. Okay. So here's the truth: your first price is your best price. The market doesn't negotiate up, it negotiates down. If you overshoot, buyers don't think, oh, I'll just offer less. A lot of times people think that. Why aren't we getting offers? What's going on? They just think, why isn't anyone even making an offer? Because what happens, they think something's off with the price. So they just scroll right past your listing. And that's exactly what happened to the neighbor. We priced our listing correctly. We market it like crazy. By the way, we show our own listings. So we're showing the listing. They're not. They hired a firm out of Rapid City. And so that agent is not showing the listings. I'm sure. I don't know that for sure, but I would bet they don't. We are one of the only teams in the area that we show our listings. Okay. And within 3 weeks, we had 4 showings, 2 offers on that high-end luxury property, guys. Can you believe it? Our marketing works. Pricing isn't about guessing what your home's worth. It's about engineering momentum. When a home launches in the Black Hills, Spearfish, Sturgis, Rapid City, buyers decide what it's worth in second and if it's worth them taking a peek at it. They've got all the data in front of them. It isn't like what it used to be. You got Zillow, you got all the big websites, you got our website, buyandsellblackhills.com, and they can see everything right in front of them. So that's why we always price when the price bands, we look at the absorption rates, and then we price based on what's active competition. Solds give you a baseline, guys. They don't tell the whole story. We use active pricing. What can the buyer look at in your price point? That's all that matters. So if your price aligns with how buyers search online, it shows up in the right filters, gets more clicks, creates more urgency. And that's where our team comes in, guys. I'm Jeff Christians with Christians Team Real Estate. We're the #1 marketing real estate team here in the Black Hills. We don't just list homes, we launch them with incredible momentum. Our job is to position, promote, and present your listing like a luxury brand. No matter the price point, we crush it in all price points. All right. So, step 1, I'm going to go through this step by step with you guys. We analyze the data. We start with the last 90 days of local data, not Zillow, not county averages, not whatever the assessed value is on the property. We go by actual homes that are competing with yours currently, and that's how we use the data. So, like I said, we look at the price bands, we look at everything. Step 2 is we watch buyer behavior through absorption rates. Then we study the absorption rates in that price band. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we deliver that every single month. That's what we delivered the previous week. You can check that video out right here and show you the October market updates, make sure you get on that list, okay? Because that's what really drives competition is pricing right in the correct price band. If your home's range is selling faster or slower, that tells us how much leverage we have in that price point. That's why we also look closely at active competition, the homes you're truly competing against today. It's what I'm talking about. It's what is today. The solds give you the baseline. Today is what matters. Step three is combine pricing with world class marketing. So we are by far the number one marketing team in the Black Hills. We have a full time marketing team working for you. You can't separate the two because the pricing gets you seen, the marketing gets you sold. Okay. Our marketing goes far beyond what agents offer. We do cinematic listing videos that showcase your home in a future film, drone photography for stunning aerial views, twilight photos, professional videos, professional photos that stop the buyers mid scroll, full staging consult to highlight your home's best features. Make sure it's not cluttered up. Our stager goes in, goes over all that with you, right? It's not your job to figure that out. That is the stager's job. We do a Matterport 3D tour on every property, not just luxury ones. Okay. Also, we are a Zillow showcase company. Only 10% of the listings in a marketplace can be Zillow showcase. They're seen more. They get 80% more clicks, 30% more saves. We feature your home is a Zillow showcase. You get YouTube exposure. This channel gets over 200 watch hours every month. And we're the only real estate team in the Black Hills doing this level of digital marketing. On top of all of that, luxury listings are marketed worldwide through Real Luxury and the International MLS. We're a Wall Street Journal, you name it. We dominate the marketing. We also target the top 10 cities moving into the Black Hills to reach qualified relocation buyers looking in this area. We post multiple times across all the local Facebook groups, Craigslist to maximize local exposure. And there's no way an independent agent can do even 10% of this, guys. I'm telling you, you need a team with a full marketing team. And through Real Broker, which by the way is the fastest growing brokerage in the world, your listing gets nationwide reach across every major market. And this is possible because I'm telling you guys, we have a dedicated in house marketing team, two full time professionals focused solely on promoting your property. Okay. If the agent you're looking at doesn't have a marketing team, you're already at a major disadvantage. In today's market, strategic marketing is critical to your success. Okay. So if you're thinking about selling this winter, this spring, anytime in the next couple years, let's talk. Let's come up with a plan. I'll run a custom pricing analysis for your home. We'll show you exactly how much equity you have. We'll show you exactly where your property sits in today's market and how to position it for top dollar quickly. If you're curious what your home is worth right now, I've got a free tool that makes it easy. I have a proprietary software down below. Click the link. It sends your home's updated value every month by email, totally free. There's a link in the description. Get signed up today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.